I'm probably gonna clip my shoes on the outside of it. I have decided to go climbing, for one, because here in Philadelphia, they have the biggest rock climbing gym in all of Pennsylvania. So I wanna go check it out today. It's basically just gonna be me all day because Haley has to stay late for work till like 7 or 8. So we're basically just gonna be doing stuff all day again because, you know, why not? I have 2 videos to edit today. So whenever I'm done rock climbing, I think I'm just gonna edit that. Hopefully, I did arms yesterday for a workout and I feel so sore, but I still wanna go rock climbing today. I just feel like today is a day for indoor rock climbing. All right, so it's been a hot minute since I've been climbing, probably since the summer of last year, honestly. Ever since Philly, we haven't really went to many rock climbing gyms. So like everything's in this bag. I think actually more things are in this bag. I might need to take out some things and just repack, but. So I got my harness, which is black diamond. I got my chalk bag, which is just a regular chalk bag from like Amazon. And then my shoes, they're Evolve shoes. Nothing too special, but that's my climbing gear. I typically keep tape, this pouch, so I have some tape for my fingers because, you know, it gets pretty rough. What I do need to add is like a small little pocket knife so I can cut it easily. And then for camera gear that I'm gonna bring, I'm probably just gonna bring this bag, I guess. Spare battery for this camera, so my Sony a7C. And then for POV shots, I'm bringing my Insta360 Go, mostly because yesterday I shot on my GoPro and I haven't cleaned it off yet, so it might run out of storage. So I cleaned off my Insta-Go and it's ready to go, all 64 gigs. Yeah, that's what I'm bringing climbing. I just need to find a bag to pack it all in. This used to be my old climbing bag and now it's gonna become my climbing bag. I got like a little red light on it as well. This zipper is completely broken, so I don't know how to fix that. I'm probably gonna clip my shoes on the outside of it, on the little bag harness like that. My harness is gonna go in here, and I found a little pen knife right here so that I could just cut it. Actually, I'm gonna need to sharpen that because that's really bad, but it's yellow to match my tape. So there's that. All right, so I got my harness in here, shoes on the side, and my water bottle. There's also room for my water bottle to go in here. And then, yeah, that's it. That's the setup. And then, obviously, my camera bag, which I'll just put on the side, I guess. I guess I don't need to bring this big of a camera, so what I might do is I might bring my Canon G7X because that's a nice tilt camera and I can tilt it and it'll hold its weight. So I might bring my Canon G7X, but mostly it's gonna be shot on my Insta360 anyways. So heading out, and it sucks because I have really thin pants on and it's only 12 degrees outside. So this is gonna be a fun 16-minute walk. All right, this absolutely sucks. 12 degrees in a sweatshirt and some pants that are breathable. Certainly sucks. But I got mittens, my hands are warm. Anyways, I'm excited. But also, getting here sucks. I just didn't want to carry a big coat because I know they probably have small cubbies, as most climbing gyms do. So I wanted to bring as minimal as possible. Alright, I'm gonna do some auto blaze first and then see what's up at the bouldering spot. But V4, so I can do V4s at the gym. I just need to practice, I guess. This camera's back and focusing now. Great. Now comes the less fun of the operation. I have to do all of my editing, so. Also, another downside is that chalk gets on all of my camera equipment, so I need to wipe it down with something. You know, it's just all chalky and dusty and little, you know, I don't even have the grip strength to do this right now. I picked up a shift today because other than editing, I don't really have any other plans for today. Plus, Haley's gonna be gone till 7, so I just picked up a quick 4-hour shift from 3 to 7 anyway, so should work out fine. And yeah, it is freaking freezing outside to do anything, so yeah, it's still 19 degrees. So at least it's better than 12, but that I walked out in, but. So I just got done editing it. It was my 26-minute street photography video. I feel like every ounce of my body hurts. But that's rendering. I have to leave here at 2:40. Right now it's 1:27. I had a sandwich, a tuna sandwich for lunch. I think I might have a peanut butter jelly sandwich, honestly. I'm pretty hungry. I'm pretty stoked about this. I really had fun making this street photography video, and I really want to do more throughout the season as the season go on, like a spring edition, things like that. Summer edition would be cool. I hope it does well. I hope you guys like it. I'm tired. I low-key just want to take a nap or like take a break and watch Squid Games while it's rendering, because I can't really edit anything else until that's done rendering. So. All right, I'm heading to work. I changed into some thicker clothes, like a flannel and stuff like that, just because it was cold. Need to turn the heat off, but this is the 4th time I've had to render this video. The realities of being a content creator. It's just sucks. But hopefully this time it will render.
the noise of a little booby chick getting fed. Sounds pretty happy about it.